Hey, what is up, guys? Atrix here, and today I just want to show you guys how you can change your name and Instagram before 14 days. So let's get started. Before I start the video, I just want to give a huge shout out to my friend. His name is SamTech2. You guys need to check his channel at link in description down below. So what you need to do, you just need to go to Instagram, then you should go to your profiles, and after that, you just need to go to settings, and then you need to click on help, then you need to click on report a problem, and then click something isn't working here. So right here you just need to write that letter to Instagram, something like someone pranked me, and then you need to hit the send, and then you should wait like a week to get a response from Instagram. If they didn't respond to you, just try it again. I'm not sure 100% that is gonna work for everyone, but it's gonna work for someone. So yeah, that's how you can change your Instagram name in 2020. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Peace.